Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers War for Cybertron Kingdom Ultra Magnus, and he is very cool. This is the Ultra Magnus. I've been wanting, at least as an upgrade of the G1 toy. More on that in a second. Now this figure is very cool. It is basically a retool of the Siege Ultra Magnus. Some retooling and remolding, but basically the same type of toy. And yeah, it's very cool. There are some things I wish they did differently. The hands should, I mean, come on, you have so many figures where the wrist tucks into the forearm. They couldn't do that? They couldn't figure out how to do that? Just the back portion, this looks like a mess. I'm sure there's a way they could have done it better. But oh well. But he is cool, and this figure also has the DNA Design DK14K War for Cybertron S13 Ultra Magnet upgrade kit. Basically, the main thing is that it has the legs that make them taller. I don't care about those weapons, but still a cool figure. There he is, the Kingdom version, and again the Siege version. And if they can figure out a way to do a better version of this, what is it? The Combiner Wars, Titan Returns? I lost track of the names. What I like about this is that the whole figure transforms into a robot mode. It does not parts form. They did do some stupid things like, I don't know, that guy. I guess he's in the comic. And doing that to the head. But if they can figure out a way to take what made this awesome and apply it to this, dude, I think you'll have a winner Ultra Magnus figure. Now I do also have the Deluxe Fall of Cybertron Ultra Magnus, but I didn't feel like showing that. And also the Masterpiece. That thing is huge. That figure wins. I'm going to compare the Masterpiece to all of these, and the Masterpiece wins. But that thing is on my shelf with a lot of figures in the way. They would have been a pain to take it down. So only figures you'll see here are this, and this, and Optimus. And there they both are. This Optimus also has an upgrade set. It improves the back trailer door and the lights there. There he is, Ultra Magnus and Optimus. And here's the white Optimus truck. Before I go into robot mode, there's the truck mode. So Earthrise Optimus next to the Kingdom Ultra Magnus. I'll say that the color matching is very close. So, here's the Siege, which also has the upgraded set too. What I like about the Siege is that it's a version of Ultra Magnus in this Cybertronian mode, which, you know, it's neat to see G1 characters who never appeared on Cybertron get their Cybertronian mode. It's neat to see that. But if I had to pick one, that's the one I would have picked. There's nothing to close. There you go. This also fails at being flimsy. Here he is in his more about mode. His white Optimus mode. Looks pretty cool. I saw that they are releasing an Optimus repaint using this mode. I'd like to get it, but man, they priced me out of that, so unless there's like a US retail version, yeah, I don't plan on getting that guy. But it looks very nice. I love the white. It's very clean. Again, it matches very close. I can tell it's a little off, but the original figure is very clean. Very nice. Here's the Siege. So I don't care for this. It's like an off-white, kind of dirty look. So yeah, I prefer this one over the Siege. My complaint on the set here, I don't know why, but these panels pop off very easy, and when you start untabbing this from the armor, this just pops off. So I just glued them on. I don't know why they didn't do that, or I don't know. That's a nitpick. And then it's weird how the ankle tilt goes the other way too. So it doesn't just stop there, it goes there, goes too far to the other side, kind of unnatural. Going in is fine, but going the other way, like maybe there should have been a little bit more plastic in the foot. Just an observation. And then, let's see, Ultra Magnus with Optimus, so these two Voyager figures. Yeah, I would like to get the Optimus repaint of this, but since I have that one, it's not critical. So if I see a US release, maybe I'll get it, but not importing the Japanese one. So I actually do have two Optimi. This is the original Earthrise, and this is, I guess, the Netflix version, which I like better because of the darker blue. if I could part swap, I would, because I like the windows on this one. But everything's like riveted and pinned in, so I'm not gonna try. So yeah. And a nice look. Again, very nice. And I thought I would show how the legs work when you transform them from the shorter Voyager mode to the taller armored mode. So the front wheel, or the front pair of these two untabs, you kind of pull it a little bit. Then the back panel untabs, and then like Combiner Wars, the leg unhinges. Then you can tab this here. This has two hinges. I think that looks ugly, but you know, oh well. Then you can just tab this right there, and then this knee fills in that gap. There is short leg and long leg. And here he is, fully combined in all his G1 glory. So yeah, he is awesome. So with the upgrade kit, he is taller, and it just looks a lot better. Bulky, but again, to me this is a modern version of the G1 toy, so I don't mind the parts forming in that case. He does look great, and I think I would do this bit. There you go. Now he's finished. Now that upgrade kit does not tab in firmly. Like I can feel it tab in, but it doesn't click in, so it comes off very easily. Still looks great. Now I do hope, I don't remember if it was DNA Designs or someone else. I hope someone does fillers to get rid of those gaps on the legs and on the shoulder there, because that is ugly. Here's the Siege with the same upgrade kit and with the fillers. So this has the leg fillers and the shoulder fillers, which looks so much better. So here they both are. Looking very cool. But like I said, I hope maybe some point in the future they're able to figure out how to give us a fully transformable Ultra Magnus that does not parts form, yet looks like that. That would be awesome. So this will now replace this on my shelf, and we'll also replace this on my shelf. Oh, the Fans Project upgraded City Commander. This was my first third-party purchase. I even had to ask permission from my wife because that was like 80 bucks. 80 bucks. I also have the Optimus Prime and Nemesis Prime versions of this. This will replace this on my shelf, but I am keeping this forever. I think one of my earliest videos is how to repair the head, because the head actually broke. Oh, but it was an easy fix, a little repair job. So yeah, there it is. Old City Commander with the fans project. I wonder what they're up to. I haven't bought anything from theirs in a long while. There's Ultra Magnus and Optimus. So there it is. My Kingdom Ultra Magnus with the DNA upgrade kit. Thanks for watching, guys.